Punta na tayo sa annual income tax return. Dito natin ay 1701A. Pwede ding 1701 version 2018. Alam niyo ba, dati nag-file ako ng 1701A, walang tax due. Nung nagpa-print ako ng case monitoring report, lumabas siya na open case, yung 1701A. So, try natin itong 1701 version 2018. Sana hindi ito mag-open case. For the month of December, for the year 2024. Kaya kahit wala itong tax due, kailangan pong i-print ang kopya ng annual income tax return. Dahil minsan, may pagkakataon na sa BIR, lalabas na open case. So, kung wala kang print out, magbabayad ka pa ng penalty. Okay, single proprietor. Kanyang tax rate ay graduated IT rates, birth date, citizenship, claiming foreign tax credits, no. Civil status, married. If married spouse has income, yes, separate filing lang. Then, dito tayo sa number 21, graduated rates. Method of deduction is optional standard deduction. Schedule 3, taxable business income if graduated rates. Fill in items 8 to 24. If 8% flat income tax rate, fill in items 25 to 30. Okay. Ang total rental income ng ating taxpayer ay 367,500. Okay? Automatic na siyang mag-compute. Sales, revenues, receipts, and fees, 367,000. Optional standard deduction, 40% of 367,500 is 147,000. Net income is 220,500. Ang 220,500 ay exempted dahil ang ating tax rate ay 250,000 and below is 0%. So, wala siyang tax due. Lagyan natin dito ng income. 220,500. Okay, para magbalanse. Click validate. Select an option for page 1, item 19. Item 19, income exempt from income tax? No. Income subject to special preferential rate? No. Click validate. Validation successful. So, exempted ang ating taxpayer dahil hindi pa lumampas ng 250,000 ang kanyang net income. Click submit. Okay. Submit successful. Tapos na tayong mag-file ng annual income tax return. Mabilis lang. At wala tayong babayaran. Okay? Sana may natutunan po kayo sa aking tutorial video ngayon. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. Bye!